Hi all, I'm back. I'm just going to unbox this. It's a monopod extension pole, but you could use it for anything. It's got a 1/4-inch screw on it. The brand is Sorandy. I bought it from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description or in the comments. Just have a look at it because I actually bought this to use with a 360 cam or for any camera actually. As you can see, it looks like maybe that's why they were on sale. The price was quite cheap. I think it was about 12 Australian dollars, but this has been returned by the look of it, or something's happened to the packet. But anyway, we'll just get it out and have a look. Yeah, so you can use these to extend a light stand, extend your tripod, to extend anything, to put a camera on the end with use it as a selfie stick. So let's see how it extends. Yeah, so it just pulls out, and that's relying on friction there. Yeah, I'd say it's, what would you say? What's the 5 length adjustment? So yeah, you can 2.2 foot. It says, whatever that converts to in centimeters. But yeah, that feels quite tight. So that's not going to collapse while you're using it. But yeah, you could use that definitely as a selfie stick as well. Extension, put a light on there, put a flash, put whatever, but you know, you've got your 1/4-inch there hole, so you can screw something in here. So if you have 2 of these, you can put them together, and 1/4-inch on this end as well. So yeah, and part of the reason I got it is because look at the size of that. There's my knife, there's a phone. So basically it's actually shorter than my Samsung S23 phone, or about the same height. So yeah, that's a little unboxing of that Sorandy extension pole, which I got on Amazon. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.